Hello everybody, my name is Halo. Welcome to this video series where we're solving Codeforces problems in Python. We are doing the A to ladder, and in this video we're going to be solving problem 282A, which is called bit++. Again, this is a very simple problem and this is the final problem of level 1. Let's just go ahead and see how we can solve this problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and read through this question. The classic programming language of Bitland is bit++. So bit++ is a programming language. This language is so peculiar and complicated. Not really. The language is that peculiar that it has exactly one variable. This variable is called x and it has two operations. So this programming language has variables and operations. Okay. It has only one variable which is called x, and it has two operations which is either plus plus or minus minus. Plus plus increases the value of the variable x by 1, minus minus decreases this value of x by 1. That's it. A statement in language bit++ is a sequence consisting of exactly one operation and one variable x, so something like x plus plus. So that is something you have to say. Exactly one operation and one variable. So this variable is also something that is guaranteed, and this operation is also something that is guaranteed. Okay. This statement is written without spaces, that is, so there is no spaces also. It can only contain the characters plus, minus or x. When plus is there, minus can't be there. When minus is there, plus also can't be there, because there is only one operation in every case, and the operations are either two pluses or two minuses. Okay. A program in bit++ is a sequence of statements. Each of them needs to be executed. Execute a program means executing all the statements it contains. Superb. You're given a program in language bit++. The initial value of x is 0. Okay. Execute the program and find its final value. The value of the variable when the program is executed, that is, all the statements have been executed. What does the input look like for this? They're giving you n, which is the number of lines of the program, followed by n lines of the program. Each statement contains exactly one operation, which is either plus plus or minus minus, and exactly one variable x. Okay, so there's one variable x here, and operations are either minus minus or plus plus. Thus, there are no empty statements. The operation and variable can be written in any order. This is also something that you need to see. That means it can either be x plus plus or plus plus x. Okay. So there are two, see, these are variables and these are operations. What are the total number of possibilities that there can be there? There can either be x minus minus, correct, x plus plus, yes, but also order does not matter. So it can be minus minus x or plus plus x. In both of these cases, x value is reducing by 1. In both of these cases, x value is increasing by 1. That's it, guys. That's the code. So we are going to go ahead and take this n input, then we're going to take n lines as input. We're going to check each line. We're going to check if this particular line is in either this, then increase the value of x by 1. If it does not decrease the value of x by 1, that means that it is in x minus minus or minus minus x. That is the logic behind how we're going to approach this particular problem. I hope you're able to understand. Even in this case, x is 0. X plus plus makes x is equal to 1, minus minus x makes x equal to 0 again. Here x is equal to 0, plus plus x makes x is equal to 1. So those are the outputs here. If you're able to understand, I highly recommend you to code this for yourself. If you're not, stick around. Let's see how we can code this. Let's take n as input first. Then let us go ahead and take for I in range of n. Let us go ahead and take the string, say st, as input. Let's say x is equal to 0 as well, because that's what the question said. So if this particular st is equal to, as we discussed over here, in these two cases, x minus minus or minus minus x, decrease the value of x by 1. So we'll say if x minus minus, or it is st is equal to minus minus x, in that particular cases, decrease the value of x by 1. Then we can also say in this case, increase the value by 1. So we can just put an else condition, because it is guaranteed that they are non-empty, right? If not, if you want to do it manually, you can just do an elif statement right here, and you can replace this with pluses. I mean, however you want to do it, there is no problem with how you approach this. You can just put an else statement. So in that particular case, x will be increased by 1. Once all of this is done, we can just go ahead and print the value of x. If we run, you can see both these cases have passed. That's it, the code, guys. Let me go ahead and submit the solution as well. As you can see, the solution got accepted. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye.